Charlotte got tired of swimming, so she got to catch a ride to shore. Well, they didn't rest very long. Charlotte was just back out there following them. They're going out there together. I could hear them in the background. There's a big bunch of seaweed right there.
No, it pulled on me.
Okay.
It just snapped.
But Taylor Rose is talking Justin and getting on there with him, and he says, Taylor Rose, this is a bad idea. And she goes, but we did it at the last pond. And he says, yeah, and we tipped there. But they're out there together. Should have recorded her trying to get on it.
Okay, go, Mom, go!
Oh! Oh! You need to get on it where it's a little bit deeper, because you're just touching bottom.
It's not gonna hold her.
Here, I'll hand you the fishing pole as you go by.
It's just not designed for this style.
Well, there's a weight limit, honey. Try it over there where you're not up against the dock.